Let's play Sounds of the Farm Bingo. Everyone should have a bingo card ready. You can either match 4 in a row or your entire card. First person to match 4 in a row wins a prize. Have fun. Can you find the cow? Can you find the ducks? Can you find the bees? Can you find the cat? Can you find the tractor? Can you find the chicken? Can you find the sheep? Can you find the dog? Can you find the goose? Can you find the horse? Can you find the donkey? Can you find the rooster? Can you find the pigs? Can you find the crow? Congratulations to all our winners. If you'd like to play again, now's a good time to swap cards. We're going to go through the sounds one more time in a different order. Good luck! Can you find the bee? Can you find the crow? Can you find the tractor? Can you find the chicken? Can you find the dog? Can you find the horse? Can you find the goose? Can you find the cat? Can you find the sheep? Can you find the donkey? Can you find the pigs? Can you find the ducks? Can you find the rooster? Can you find the cow? I hope you enjoyed your game of Sounds on the Farm Bingo. Come back and play again sometime.